Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by saving your notebook and any external files. You do not want to lose state. Next, stop the active kernel. Use the kernel menu and choose Restart or press the stop icon to halt execution. If you have long-running cells or large outputs, clear them now to reduce memory pressure. Once done, confirm the kernel shows as idle. This ensures the environment is clean and you can proceed to restart without lingering processes interfering. You can restart directly in the UI. Choose Kernel Restart or Restart and Clear Output to reset state and remove outputs. Alternatively, if the server is unresponsive, open a terminal and run Jupyter Notebook Stop to terminate the server, then Jupyter Notebook Start to relaunch it. For Jupyter Lab, use the top menu Restart options or shut down the server from the terminal. Make sure to reconnect your browser to the freshly started server. Kernels will be new and variables cleared. After the restart, reconnect your kernel and run a few essential cells to verify core imports and state. If something fails, inspect the terminal or browser logs for traceback messages and missing package errors. Installing or reinstalling the package often resolves import failures. If kernels consistently crash, restart the entire server again and consider creating a fresh virtual environment to isolate issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check server logs for specific error lines. They tell you what to fix first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.